Welcome to our channel, where today we simplify the process of logging into your Smartsheet account, so you can get started without any hassle. Welcome to our channel, where today we simplify the process of logging into your Smartsheet account, so you can get started without any hassle. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Navigate to the official Smartsheet website by typing www.smartsheet.com into the address bar and pressing Enter. Once the home page loads, locate the Login button, which is usually found in the upper right corner of the screen, and click on it. This will direct you to the login page where you need to provide your credentials. Enter the email address associated with your Smartsheet account in the designated field. Then, type your password carefully in the password box. If you have forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link to receive instructions on how to reset it via your email. After entering your login information, double-check the details for accuracy to avoid any errors. Clicking the Sign In button will then take you inside your account dashboard, where you can access all your sheets and collaborations. For additional security, you might encounter two-factor authentication if it is enabled on your account. Follow the instructions to input the verification code sent to your phone or email. Once logged in successfully, take a moment to explore the dashboard and your various projects. If you prefer, you can also download the Smartsheet app for easier access on your phone or tablet and log in using the same credentials. Logging out after finishing your work is important for account safety, especially on public or shared devices. Simply click on your profile icon and select Log Out from the menu. This simple step-by-step method ensures you can always access your Smartsheet account quickly and securely with confidence. Remember these tips and get started on managing your tasks smoothly and efficiently using Smartsheet. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video to support our content and get more helpful tutorials like this one.